Finding balance, navigating the sweet side of life without excessive sugar. We're diving into a topic that affects many of us, finding a healthy balance when it comes to sugar consumption. Let's explore ways to enjoy the sweet side of life without going overboard. Excessive sugar intake can lead to various health issues, from weight gain to dental problems. By adopting a mindful approach, we can maintain a balanced and enjoyable lifestyle. First and foremost, let's talk about incorporating more natural sweetness into our diets. Opt for whole fruits and vegetables that are rich in fiber and nutrients. Blend up a delicious smoothie or add slices of fruit to your cereal or yogurt for a naturally sweet and nutritious treat. When shopping for packaged foods, pay attention to food labels. Look for products with lower added sugar content and choose options with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Remember, small swaps can make a big difference. Instead of relying on store-bought sweets, try making your own healthier desserts at home. There are countless recipes available that use alternatives like stevia or dates. By controlling the ingredients, you can indulge in treats without excessive sugar. Regular physical activity is also key to maintaining balance in our lives. Exercise not only helps manage weight but also releases feel-good endorphins, reducing the cravings for sugary foods. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Lastly, let's talk about beverages. Instead of sugary sodas or energy drinks, opt for healthier alternatives like herbal tea, infused water, or homemade flavored sparkling water. Stay hydrated and satisfy your thirst without excessive sugar. That's all for today, everyone. Remember, finding balance is about making conscious choices and enjoying the sweet side of life without compromising our health. Until next time, finding balance, navigating the sweet side of life without excessive sugar. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on leading a healthy and balanced lifestyle.